was a time when I was young, but you got no time. Better late than never. There was a time.
Hey, ¿qué onda? En este video les mostraré muy brevemente cómo es posible vivir en una camioneta y viajar por Canadá. También les recomendaré la empresa de mi amigo Michael llamada Yourvanlife.com. Mucha gente de Canadá viaja y vive en sus camionetas. Es una gran experiencia ya que puedes parar donde quieras y realmente poder vivir la experiencia de cada lugar. Además de que puedes ahorrar mucho dinero en hospedaje sin cambiar la comodidad. Bañarte no es un problema ya que en cada pueblito de Canadá puedes encontrar duchas calientes de $2 aproximadamente por 5 minutos. Aunque también muchas caravanas cuentan con ducha integrada. Ya les mostraré. La última vez que visité Canadá estuve aproximadamente 5 meses y el último mes fue cuando decidí viajar en camioneta. Sin duda ha sido uno de mis mejores viajes de aventura. En próximos videos les dejaré tips y recomendaciones de cómo pueden viajar en camioneta por Canadá, así como la forma de encontrar sitios apropiados para pasar la noche en una camioneta o caravana. Vamos.
Hey, how's it going?
What's your name?
Michael.
Marco, really?
Michael.
Michael.
Yeah.
Oh,
And you?
Marco Polo.
Yeah.
Marco Polo.
That's your name?
Yeah, my
Thanks,
real name. Thank you.
Yeah. So welcome to Yourvanlife.
Yourvanlife. Okay.
Yeah. Here we got a Montreal startup who's doing all about the road trip experience on the road.
Okay.
Rental, custom conversion, online store with the best price for conversion parts. Anything.
Yourvanlife.com. Okay.
So that one just came out from a rental. So don't look at it. It can be messy.
Can I?
Yeah. Feel like your van life, buddy.
Wow, it's amazing, bro.
Yeah. So
You
man,
have-
we provide road trip in Montreal, Calgary, and Vancouver in November,
All right.
and
You have everything here.
yeah, it's a teeny homes on wheels.
Bed.
All that one is
Mucha.
the prototype, so fully handmade and
Wow.
yeah, so I made it myself. Now we got two really professional and nice guy who's doing all the conversion in Montreal
Okay.
at her shop.
Wow.
More high end and experienced conversion, but that one is definitely the start. And
It's a really good work, man.
yeah, I like the vibe here. The color are feeling good, you know. You don't feel stuck here, you feel more good. You got unlimited Wi-Fi.
Unlimited
that,
Wi-Fi?
Yeah, that can
Nice.
connect with 5 different devices at a time. You got an indoor shower here with more than 55
wow.
gallon of water. It means
Nice.
around 180 liter of water. So approximately 20 minutes of shower. Hot shower. You got hot water on demand. You got fully solar system at the back of the rig. You got 110 volts, so it's like all kind of all the same home got this, you know.
Okay. Electricity.
Yeah, electricity.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
And how much per day or per month?
It's around 250 a night on high season,
Okay.
but you can find this easily at 175 a night on low season, so October to May. 175 per night. You gotta reserve in advance.
Okay.
And yeah, man, so when you think about a road trip in the Canadian Rockies, you think about hotel fee, car rental fee that can be $60-80 a day, restaurant at least $15
Exactly.
a night. So when you think about this, you realize that you're saving a lot of money by going on a road trip like this all around America, everywhere except Mexico, but still a lot of land to do.
You need to in Mexico.
Yeah, that's nice. One day we'll insure for Mexico, but not for now.
Okay.
Yeah, one thing at a
So-
time.
I will recommend you with my friends for sure.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Thank you, brother.
Appreciate.
Michael, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Are you
Michael.
having a you?
Nice to see you, Michael.
Yeah, nice to see
And
you, man. Nice
for
to-
sure, ya saben, amigos, visiten yourvanlife.com. Perfecto.